Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sarah and I post new videos every Monday. Today I will show you how to make your own hair gel. While I was trying to find different brands, different products to try it on my hair, I came across a DIY flaxseed gel, and I was very intrigued to that, and I said, why not, let's try it. And for that you only need flaxseed and water, and you can create your own hair gel. I've been using this gel for about almost a month, and this is what I have right now. I use it as my final styling step on my wash and go routine, and I also use it to refresh my curls. So for example, today I just use it to help me reduce the frizz. This is my day 4 hair and still has a pretty good shape. Before I start the tutorial on how to do your own DIY hair gel, I just want to talk about some of the benefits. Flax seeds have omega-3 fatty acids. They are ultra moisturizing for your curly hair, and is the best way you can apply those fatty acids to your hair to make it shiny and healthy. Also, this product contains vitamin E, copper, magnesium, vitamin B6, zinc, potassium, and protein. So just by using that product, you're giving to your hair all the nutrients without any preservative, without any chemicals. Is 100% organic. So you know exactly where you put it on, and you know that all you're adding to your hair is good. So this is something that I wanted to share with you. And also it has a good strong hold and helps reduce the frizz, which my hair has been very frizzy lately, and by using that gel it keeps it under control. So if you're interested to know how to make it yourself, and if you would like to try it, just keep on watching. To make this gel, you will need 1/4 cup of flaxseed, 2.5 cup of water, a squeeze container, a glass container, a funnel, a spatula, and also you will need some pantyhose to squeeze the gel out. In a small cooking pot, turn the heat on to medium high. Add your 2.5 cups of water and your 1/4 cup of flaxseed. Give it a good stir. And bring it to boil. Make sure you are always stirring this to prevent it from burning at the bottom. Just keep on mixing. And what you are looking for is to get a gel-like texture, like gelatin. That's what you're looking for. That is bouncy. You don't want it to be too watery because you're not going to have any hold, but you don't want to have it too strong. That is hard to handle. So that's the desired texture that you want. When you have it like that, just turn the heat off and let it sit for about an hour. Once it's nice and cold, use the same container that you use for the water, put on top the pantyhose, and pour out the gel into the pantyhose. Now it's time to squeeze out all the gel to separate it from the seed. It may take a little bit long, but it's not that hard to do it, honestly. Just squeeze as much as you can. And then you ended up having the seeds on one side and the gel. That you can add some essential oils like lavender, which is my favorite, but you can add any essential oil that you like to give it a nice smell, and also it will help last longer. This gel is good for about a month if you keep it in the fridge. And here you have it. I have in the squeeze bottle the ones that I will be using more often, and then on the glass container the leftover that I will be using for the rest of the month. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to try it, just leave a comment below. Let me know if you like it. Let me know how it's working for you, and if you like it also, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you in the next one. Bye.